stop guessing on the Craft Food BearCup Banana Chocolate Latte. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to mix the fruit and chocolate together. But that actually ruins the texture and causes the BearCup to overflow. Before we enter the kitchen, you need to understand the logic or you'll just get stuck wasting your materials on a failed recipe. We're doing this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail to get that 5-star rating. Rexish is the authority on these complex craft food combinations, and we're going to nail this latte right now. First, grab the special BearCup from the premium shelf and fill it with warm milk up to the halfway line. Do not add the espresso yet. You must head to the banana station and mash exactly 2 bananas until they reach a puree consistency before adding them to the cup. Next, grab the dark chocolate syrup and swirl it twice around the inner rim. Here's a secret trick that other creators missed. You must steam the mixture for exactly 3 seconds before adding the espresso shot, or the banana flavor will become bitter and lower your score. This specific steaming order is the only way to unlock the golden latte achievement that most players think is random. Once the steam finishes, pour in your double shot of espresso and top it off with a bear-shaped foam garnish. This final touch is what triggers the massive tip bonus from the NPC customers. By following the Rexish guide, you just master the hardest drink on the menu. If you want the recipe for the limited edition Strawberry Panda Mocha next, let me know in the comments. Would you like me to find the fastest way to farm the BearCups for your shop?